The biggest myth that I can't believe people always hear about, and we always learned as kids, is step on a crack, break your mama's back. Now, mind you, if I step on a crack, it ain't gonna affect my mama, but people often think that back pain relates to genes, all right? And I'm Dr. Cannon, great to see y'all again. And as an avid supporter of khakis, as you can see, genes has nothing to do with back pain. It becomes our posture. It becomes how our bad habits attribute over time. It becomes all those things we let slide, all the damages our body has taken over time. That all happens in our body and that stores all that trauma. As we get older, things degenerate. Pressure gets put on nerves that already have enough pressure as they need to deal with. And then we lose function. That's where things come about. Dr. Cannon here at Lowe Chiropractic and Wellness, here for you and your family. Please go to our website, lowechiro.com, and then please go to our TikToks, Instagram, anything like that. See you soon.